Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make your Pinterest profile private. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your Pinterest app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your login details and log into your Pinterest account. Now on your screen you can see options like home, search, create, inbox and saved. Go to saved, then go to your profile from the top left corner. There you can see there are options like account management, profile visibility, home feed tuner, claimed accounts, social permissions and activities, notification, privacy and data, reports and violation center. All you have to do is go to profile visibility and select that private profile option and turn it on. And guys, that's it. That's how you make your Pinterest profile private. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.